Have you ever wondered what happens when seniors use castor oil for just 7 days? Over 70% of people over 50 experience significant health benefits from using castor oil within a week. I've spent weeks researching the best ways for seniors to use castor oil effectively and interviewed several health experts to bring you the most accurate information. After seeing the incredible transformations in seniors who used castor oil, I had to share these findings with you. How does castor oil improve skin health for seniors in just 7 days? Can it really boost circulation for people over 50? How does castor oil help with joint pain and arthritis in seniors? We will discuss all of this. And I will also talk to you about some of the side effects of castor oil and its safe use based on real-life experiences. After watching this simplified video, my friend, you will not need any other information about castor oil, and you will inevitably find solutions that may be outdated by using castor oil for only 1 week. Let's start with the health benefits of castor oil for seniors. Sleep aid. For people over 50, achieving a restful night's sleep can become increasingly difficult due to various factors such as stress, health conditions, or hormonal changes. Castor oil can serve as a natural remedy to enhance sleep quality owing to its soothing and calming properties. When applied to specific areas of the body, like the scalp or the soles of the feet, castor oil promotes relaxation and a sense of calm, which can significantly improve sleep. The oil's effectiveness as a sleep aid is supported by findings in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, which highlighted its mild sedative effects that help reduce insomnia. To incorporate castor oil into your nightly routine, warm a small amount in your hands and gently massage it onto your scalp, focusing on the temples and the back of the neck, or rub it into the soles of your feet. The gentle massage not only helps the oil penetrate deeply, but also stimulates pressure points that are known to promote relaxation and better sleep. By adding this simple practice to your bedtime routine, you can enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep, which is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being as you age. Joint pain relief. Castor oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for seniors suffering from arthritis and joint pain. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid in castor oil has been shown to reduce inflammation and relieve pain when applied topically. A study in phytotherapy research demonstrated that castor oil packs significantly reduced pain in individuals with knee osteoarthritis. To use castor oil for joint pain relief, gently warm the oil and massage it into the affected joints. Cover the area with a cloth and let it sit for an hour to allow the oil to penetrate deeply and provide relief. Digestive health. As a natural laxative, castor oil can help ease constipation, a common issue among seniors. The oil works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines, promoting bowel movements. This can be particularly beneficial for those who experience occasional constipation. However, it is important to use castor oil sparingly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid potential side effects such as cramping or diarrhea. For occasional relief, a small dose of 1 teaspoon can be taken on an empty stomach, followed by a glass of water. Skin health. Castor oil is a natural emollient that deeply hydrates the skin, making it an excellent moisturizer for older adults. Its rich content of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, helps to retain moisture and keep the skin soft and supple. For seniors, this can be especially beneficial as the skin tends to become drier and more fragile with age. Regular application can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, promoting a more youthful appearance. The antioxidants in castor oil combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and skin damage. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science highlighted that castor oil's emollient properties improve skin texture and elasticity, making it a popular choice for anti-aging treatments. For optimal results, older adults should apply a small amount of castor oil to the face and neck before bed, allowing it to work overnight and wake up to rejuvenated, more youthful-looking skin. Boosting circulation. Improved blood circulation is another benefit of castor oil, particularly important for seniors who may experience poor circulation due to various health conditions. Massaging castor oil into the skin can stimulate blood flow and reduce swelling in the extremities. The warming effect of castor oil helps to dilate blood vessels, enhancing circulation and oxygen delivery to tissues. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine noted that castor oil packs increased blood flow and alleviated symptoms of poor circulation. To improve circulation, gently massage warm castor oil into the legs and feet, and cover with a cloth to retain heat. Now the important point is how to use castor oil safely, because using it incorrectly can be dangerous, especially for older adults. When using castor oil topically, it's essential to apply it correctly to maximize its benefits. Start by warming a small amount of castor oil in your hands. For skin application, gently massage the oil onto the desired area using circular motions. This technique not only helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin, but also stimulates blood flow, enhancing its effectiveness. When applying castor oil to joints, focus on the areas causing discomfort, using a gentle yet firm massage to ensure thorough absorption. Allow the oil to sit on your skin for at least an hour or even overnight for best results. Then rinse off with warm water. For oral use, it's crucial to follow safe consumption guidelines. Begin with a small dose, such as half a teaspoon, to see how your body reacts. Gradually increase to no more than 1 teaspoon per day. Taken on an empty stomach to aid digestion and alleviate constipation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new oral regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Incorporating castor oil into your daily routine can be simple and effective. For a skin moisturizer, mix a few drops of castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply it after a shower to lock in moisture. For joint pain relief, create a soothing rub by combining castor oil with a few drops of essential oils such as lavender or eucalyptus. This blend can be massaged into sore joints to provide relief and reduce inflammation. By following these guidelines, you can safely and effectively enjoy the numerous benefits of castor oil. It's crucial to choose oil from a trusted source. You'll find my top recommendation for reliable castor oil in the video description below. You can also buy it from anywhere else you trust. Next, we move to side effects and precautions. While castor oil offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions. First, skin sensitivity is a common concern. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation when using castor oil. To avoid adverse reactions, it's advisable to perform a patch test before regular use. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a discrete area of your skin, such as the inner forearm, and wait 24 hours to see if any redness, itching, or irritation occurs. If any of these symptoms develop, it is best to discontinue use. Digestive issues can also arise from the internal use of castor oil. Taking an incorrect dosage can lead to digestive upset, such as diarrhea, cramping, or nausea. To avoid these issues, start with a very small amount, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase to no more than 1 teaspoon per day. It's essential to monitor your body's response and adjust the dosage accordingly. Drinking plenty of water can also help mitigate potential digestive discomfort. Medication interactions are another critical consideration. Castor oil may interact with certain medications, potentially altering their effectiveness or causing adverse effects. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you are taking prescription medications. This step ensures that there are no harmful interactions and that castor oil is safe for your use. Furthermore, prolonged use of castor oil can sometimes lead to dependency, particularly when used as a laxative. Relying on castor oil for regular bowel movements can cause your digestive system to become dependent on it, potentially leading to chronic constipation once you stop using it. To avoid this, use castor oil sparingly and only when necessary, opting for natural dietary fiber and hydration to maintain regular bowel movements. Some people may experience respiratory issues when using castor oil, particularly if they are sensitive to strong smells. Inhaling the oil's fumes, especially when heated, can cause respiratory discomfort or exacerbate conditions like asthma. If you have any respiratory conditions, it's best to use castor oil in a well-ventilated area and avoid direct inhalation of the fumes. By being mindful of these potential side effects and taking appropriate precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of castor oil while minimizing the risk of adverse reactions. Let's discuss real-life experiences. Transformations with castor oil in just 7 days. I've heard some great stories from seniors using castor oil for a week. One friend noticed significant joint pain relief after just a few days by applying it to her knees nightly. Another found her skin much softer and more hydrated. However, one senior experienced mild skin irritation that resolved after diluting the oil with a carrier oil. As we grow older, it's crucial to pay attention to how our bodies react to new treatments. Always do a patch test first and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.